Hi guys, welcome back. The last time we had was the row widget. Now this time we are going to study about the column widget. The row widget, we had three containers, and because it is a row, so they are lined up horizontally. And the main axis alignment, of course, because it's a row, it's horizontal. If it is a column, then the main axis alignment would be vertical. Now, in order to change what we did last time into a column, we're just gonna change the row here because our body property has a row widget, and the row widget has three containers. What we're going to do is just change the row into column. Let's save it. Now, as you can see, the main axis alignment of column is vertical. The same what happened to our containers now are they are lined up vertically. So we can change this to property maybe you wanna place them in center. Yep, on the center. We'll try to wrap our column with center. Let's try if okay, now our column is on the center. And the containers are on the center as well. We'll try to add on okay. Let's say space between or space evenly. Let's try another property. If you wanna use space around, or you wanna use start on the top. Let's try to use space evenly. So the same with the row. A column widget has a property of children, and because it has a property of children, you can place multiple widgets inside this property as long as the widgets are inside the square brackets. So you place all the widgets inside the square brackets, and you have now multiple widgets inside your column. Okay, so that's it for the column. Thank you so much.